Hey guys, this is Zen from Zen Gaming, and here is the after build of the MSI GUNGNIR 110R. This is my after build video, and if you wish to see my unboxing video, please click on the link in the description box below, and I'll also leave the part list that I used in this build in the description box below. To be honest, inside the case there is plenty of space, no problem at all. As you know, this is my first build. Here are the fans. They are working perfectly and have no noise at all. You won't even know that the fans are running, they are so quiet. If you need more airflow, you can add 2 more fans on the top of the case. I am happy with the airflow at the moment, so I won't be adding any more fans. Here we are on the back side of the case. As you can see, I have tried my best to tidy up the wires. Please excuse for any wire mess. My advice to you is the power supply that you use is either fully modular or semi-modular, because the wiring will be really tight. As you can see here, there is only one finger space between the back panel. That is the only concern I have. Here is the dust filter. It is good and easy to clean. I am really impressed with the fan lights, as they are really bright and make the case look cool, especially in the dark. I don't have to put any LED light in there, as there is already enough in there already. I give 9 out of 10 to this case. My honest opinion is I'm happy with the case, but the only concern is that the wiring being too tight in the back panel. With the LED button, you can change the fans to several different colors. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them in the comment section below. Please make sure you like and also smash the subscribe button, and make sure you put on that post notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Goodbye.